Today we're going to do an overview of the 80/20 quality non-conformance and issue tracking tool. 80/20. We start here at our dashboard. You're either able to create a new issue or go to the list of issues. Today we're going to say we have a new issue. We have to choose an issue type. We separate those into three different categories. Those are vendor, internal. We have an issue that we call it in-house or customers. We might have 5 parts that are bad. We're going to issue the quantity. We have a part number. This part is revision A. Our part description is a shaft coupling. I'm trying to give this issue some context. Our work order number, we're just going to go, and we might have a specific lot we need to trace. The user would then select a department that may be at fault. For this instant, it might be a particular CNC cell, and then a reason code. So for this one, we actually have a dimensional issue. Note these are put in ahead of time. If we know to repair this cost, what the labor cost would be, we're able to type it in now. Labor, material, vendor, other costs. We know we're going to have an hours of work. To do this, and our shop rate is, say, $60 an hour. We might have $60 in that, but we're able to save the part, so we don't have any material cost. We didn't have to outsource it, and no other vendor costs. So we have a total cost of $60 to redo this part. Then we're going to add that issue to the system. Now we're going to give it a good description of what is wrong with this part. We have an outer diameter. It's going to cause an improper fit. The real key here is that we're able to attach a photo, and that's either with directly from a phone. You're able to pull in the photo or take that photo and add it. In this instant, we're actually going to upload a non-conformance directly to it. It's management to make decisions, at which point you would select a manager. Frank is our manager. We're going to say, hey Frank, we got a problem. Tell me what you'd like me to do with it. In this instance, we are now looking through where we're at with this part. He gets info. Boy, we have the shaft coupling. What's wrong with it? There's a picture. I can look at it. He's able to make a disposition of this issue, whether that's return to vendor, rework, scrap, grind, resale. For this instance, we're just going to say, hey, we did a rework, and I approve it as, we'll say Frank. What's our containment plan? Frank's going to give his team some instructions. So rework the part, reinspect, and check with the CMM. Record results. We should also consider review inventory. Sure, not a constant issue. And you can provide any directions that he would like to there, at which point he would save this file. The user would get an alert that, hey, I have a disposition now, and I can see that I need to go rework that part. Here's what he wants me to do. Action taken, part remade, reworked on work order, new measurement, in spec, the date, and we can mark this issue as closed. So once we have that, now we're able to save all this data and be able to start to run some reports. So I'm able to look at over time, where are my issues? Are they internal? Are they vendor? Are they customer related? Which department is having the most amount of issues? Start to look at how long these are staying open and some detailed percentages. We can also automatically export all of this data in a start and an end date, so that way our users can take this data into a CSV file and do whatever they'd like to do with it. So thank you for watching. In other videos we'll go over some other of our modules.